Excel ACCRINT function. This function returns the accrued interest for a security that pays interest at maturity. The M stands for maturity, distinguishing it from ACCRINT, which handles periodic payments. The syntax is ACCRINTM with parameters issue, settlement, rate, par, and an optional basis. This is simpler than ACCRINT because there is no frequency or calc_method parameter, since the security pays interest only once at maturity. There are 5 arguments: issue, the security's issue date; settlement, the maturity date of the security; rate, the annual coupon rate; par, the par value of the security, which defaults to $10,000; and basis, an optional day count basis type from 0 to 4. Here's an example. We have a security issued on June 27, 2016, with a settlement date of December 1, 2016. The annual rate is 10%, the par value is $1,000, and we use a basis of 3 for actual over 365. The ACCRINTM function returns $43.01. This is the total accrued interest from the issue date to the maturity date for this security. Watch out for common errors. A value error occurs when issue or settlement is not a valid date. A num error occurs when the rate is less than or equal to 0, par is less than or equal to 0, basis is out of range from 0 to 4, or the issue date is on or after the settlement date. Key points to remember. ACCRINTM is simpler than ACCRINT because it handles securities that pay interest only at maturity, so no frequency parameter is needed. The M in ACCRINTM stands for maturity. Use ACCRINT instead for periodic coupon-paying securities. The default par value is $10,000. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.